Hello everyone, it's Nico. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to unbox and deep dive into the RunCam ScopeCam SE. In this video I'll be taking you through everything, from what's inside the box to a detailed look at all of its features. Let's get started. When I first received the package, the first thing that I noticed was the sturdy, well-designed box. The exterior is minimalistic yet professional, hinting at the quality inside. As I open the box, you'll see that everything is securely packed. The camera itself is wrapped in a protective foam, ensuring that it remains safe during transit. Along with the ScopeCam, you'll get a set of accessories, including the mounting hardware, a spare lens protector that's already mounted. This is external start-stop button that's connected via micro USB. Now let's take a closer look at the camera. The RunCam ScopeCam immediately impressed with its sleek design. It's built with an aluminum alloy body combined with a sturdy plastic outer layer. This not only gives it a premium feel, but also makes it resilient in outdoor environment. One of the first things I appreciate is the clear, protective glass in front of the lens. This design choice not only has durability, but also ensures that your shots remain crystal clear. Speaking of the lens, the camera features a 25mm lens which supports 1080p recording and 60 fps. This means you get a smooth, high-definition footage whether you're recording a fast-paced airsoft matches or capturing serene outdoor landscapes. Another major highlight is the IP64 waterproof rating. For those who love outdoor activities or who use the camera in unpredictable weather, this feature is a huge plus. One unique aspect of the camera is its replaceable battery. Unlike many other devices that lock you into a single battery life, the ScopeCam lets you swap out batteries, ensuring you can extend your shooting sessions without worrying about downtime. The battery life itself is impressive, allowing you up to 200 minutes of continuous recording at 1080p 60 fps. This is perfect for longer events or extended outdoor adventures. The camera supports micro SD cards with up to 512GB, and I'm using a 128GB SanDisk Extreme Pro card. Its fast read and write speeds ensure smooth 1080p 60 recording even during extended sessions. With those, I can capture hours of high-definition footage without running out of space. Just remember to format the card to FAT32 for optimal performance. I've linked the SanDisk Extreme Pro in the description below, so check it out if you need a reliable, high-speed storage for your ScopeCam. Let's assemble back the camera and see the micro USB port. You can charge your camera and also use it to transfer your footage back to your computer. Alright, now that we've covered the specs, let's head over the practice area and check out some real footage captured by the camera. On the top of the camera is placed the power button. One press of it will start the camera. Once you see a solid red light, the camera is on. Now you can press again, you will see a blinking red light. Now the camera is recording the video, starting with a 10 meters distance. Going back to 20 meters. Different target at 25 meters. $33 meters. Now let's connect the camera to the phone. Here is the RunCam app. You need to download it first, and once you open, you need to select your device. Here we select our camera, RunCam ScopeCam SE. We need to turn the camera on. Then we need to double press the power button so the blue light starts flashing. Now we need to open the Wi-Fi settings and choose the Wi-Fi that is running from the camera. After that, you need to enter the password that is shown on the screen. Message that the connection has failed is shown. Let's see the solution. It says to run the app again. I tried another connection. Let's see. Now the video display is open, but the video is missing. There's a gray screen. Let's start the app again from the zero. Another connection, and voila. Thank you so much for joining me in this unboxing journey. I hope this detailed walkthrough gives you a clear idea of what the ScopeCam SE is all about. I'm really excited to see what you think of the camera. Until next time, take care and happy shooting. Bye bye.